You see these things every single day, but can you talk about them in English? Let's fix that. This is a pillow. One pillow and two pillows. I've got two pillows. This right here is called a blanket. This is a blanket. And this is a bed sheet. You see this? This is a bed sheet. And under the bed sheet is the mattress. We put the mattress on top of the bed. On top of the bed. And this right here is the headboard. It's called a headboard. See this? And you know what this is? This is called foam padding. I put it there to remove the echo in my room because I record and make videos in this room. So this is what it looks like. See this? This is a bed. This whole thing is a bed, and I am sitting on the bed. I'm sitting on the bed. When you're sitting or when you're lying on top of the bed, you say on the bed. And when you take the blanket ready to sleep, you say in bed. I'm sitting on the bed. I am lying on the bed. I am in bed. And one more important thing, we say in bed, not in the bed when talking about sleeping. And this right here is my laptop table, and on my laptop table is of course my laptop, my AirPod, and a hot cup of coffee which I just made, and my Bluetooth speaker, and my Holy Bible, and this right here is my Kindle device. And right now I'm reading this book, Killing Floor by Lee Child, and this character, Jack Reacher, is one of my favorite characters. Of course, I like Sherlock Holmes as well. Who's your favorite character? Let me know in the comments. And under this table is a notebook, a USB cable, my laptop charger, and this is another USB cable which is attached to my laptop. And right next to the table is the case for my Bluetooth headphones. I use Sony headphones. And right next to this case are the stack of books. Let me show you my book collection. Tuesday with Morrie, Beyond Illusion and Doubt, and this one is one of my favorite books called Possessed by Thomas B. Allen, and this one is Atomic Habits. We all know about this book. And if you're watching this video, I assume that you're absolute beginners or probably intermediate. If you're not into reading books, I recommend doing it now. It's about time. Let me show you the rest of my room. So this is a door. The door is next to the bed, and this is called a curtain. The curtain is beside the door, and this right here is called a suitcase. The suitcase is in front of the door. You see that over there? That is called a wardrobe. In the wardrobe, we keep clothes. Let me show you this corner of my room. So these are the pieces of equipment that I use. This one is a Persian club, this right here, and this is a rod which I use for stretching, and this is a barbell. This is called a batten. Again, I use this for stretching, and these are called parallettes. I use these for push-ups, and light dumbbells, just 3 kgs, and these are the barbell plates, and this is the ab roller, and this is a foam roller, and this is a backpack. I use this backpack to add those weights. I add those weights in the backpack. After adding the weights in this backpack, I put it around my shoulders, and I do push-ups, pull-ups with the load on my back, and I also go for rucking. So what is rucking? It's nothing but walking with the weight on your back. And these are my resistance band, and these are my gymnastics rings, and this one is a neck harness. I use this for neck exercise. And this right here is called an outlet, and these tiny holes, they are called a plug, and these are called socket. We put the socket in a plug, and this one right here is a dial. We use this to increase or decrease the speed of a fan. You see that right over there? That's called a fan. And that thing that's glowing, that's called a tube light. And you know what these are called? Honestly, I don't know. I just call them on and off button. But if you know, please let me know in the comment. And these are the portrait of WWE superstars, and right above those portraits is a poster, a WWE poster, and they are stuck on the wall. Let me pull the camera back. They are on the wall. And before you ask me, yeah, I'm a WWE fan. I'm a veteran WWE fan. I've been watching WWE since 1998. And guys, what do you think about the WrestleMania 42? And were you happy with the results of the match between the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes, versus the Viper? Let me know down in the comments. I want to hear your thoughts. Now that you know how to talk about your room in English, now go look around your room. How many of these words do you already know?